Fantastic. So now we're gonna go to our next training, how to set up a database for WordPress.
Okay, so now since whole lamp is installed,
Yes. And we've installed
lamp
WordPress.
means that there is a MySQL there. So
Exactly.
we just need to create the database for
On
that new
SQL.
website. Yeah. Okay, so we need to log into MySQL.
Mm-hmm.
If Chris remembers password, would be great. Okay, he remembered password. Hey! So now we need to create the database.
So as you can see, training is really great fun. I suggest you to look our trainings about TIGO technique, which is train as you go technique. And also I suggest for you to look at all other trainings on our website. So now exactly what we're doing.
No, basically, as you can see, the command prompt changed. Now we, instead of seeing root at Monte Cristo and hash, now we have a MySQL. It means that we are in the MySQL shell, and we can run SQL commands. So here I run create database WP10.
Perfect.
And it, as you can see, it ran well, so it created database. Now we are creating user. So I'll create a WP10 user at local host, as our MySQL is on the same server as our Apache. So that's why user does not need to be able to access MySQL from outside of the local host. So that's additional security. Yeah, don't forget to use the semicolon after commands, otherwise it will just wait.
Exactly. Also, I use that occasion to underline that you can check our trainings, IT trainings, on basically what is the core of IT. It's more about to find the information and know where to look at, accept the knowledge, because if you expand in any field of IT, Wojtek then can confirm that you have to develop the skill to investigate and find the information.
True.
So now we are creating password
for that WP1 user, and let's call it like very secure pass1.
We can change it at any stage, of course.
Or not. It's our dev box, so no one have access to it, so no worries. Okay, so that's done. Now we need to grant privileges to that user, so grant all privileges on our database. Our database name is WP10. Our user.
Perfect. So our user can access the database.
Identified by password, which is pass1.
Fantastic.
Okay, so now just all you need to do is just flash privileges, and that should be all on the SQL side. So flash. Cool.
What actually does flash privileges?
It forces to refresh whatever we set in here to make it kind of active.
Active, yeah, perfect. So our database will actually be used by the WordPress template where the data will load.
Sorry again?
The function of the database would be for our template to access the media and everything.
So basically, database is needed as you know, WordPress is not a static page.
Yeah.
And it allows you to modify page itself from the WordPress user interface. So it allows normal users without too much knowledge of the programming to create and modify websites, and basically in the background all the changes are being stored in a database. So basically whatever change you'll do as a user using the WordPress interface, it will be stored in a database, and the whole site will be rendered based on the information which is on the database.
Okay, fantastic. So all the modification to the template are stored on that database.
Yeah. So all the linkings, because in a day you are not storing, for example, how's it called, pictures. At least I'm not aware of it.
Okay.
On the database, I think those are being stored in just in a WordPress directories. But all the links, all the how to find those pictures and so on, all of that, as far as I know, that should be stored in the database. But personally, I never dug into the database itself. But
okay, the
using
training,
logic, that's how it should be.
The training is focused on for everyone easily to access and set up their own template. And
please don't forget to subscribe for our new trainings.